Today we have with us Liko, who is a managing partner from Horizont. He's going to be talking with us about how he is helping his clients deal with the current COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you, Wayne, for joining us today.
Thanks, Danielle. I'm happy to be here.
All right, let's get started. So first, can you talk a little bit about the challenges your clients were trying to solve for?
Yes, in this case, Danielle, what the client was trying to do was really just leverage a lot of the information that they already had for doing a quick look at sites, specifically clinics and labs that they could use ahead of the intensifying needs of the pandemic. So they were just trying to identify locations and the amenities that the locations had, accessibility, and any sort of detail that would help them use that in the serving of the public.
And what applications or processes did you implement to help address these challenges?
So what's interesting with this is we're really leveraging things that the client was already doing. In this particular case, their space inventory and, of course, their drawing information. So the nice part about that is it was just changing the perspective of how they look at their data and being able to kind of reorient the reporting to pull out the information very quickly.
And can you tell us a little bit about the outcomes or results that you saw for implementing those applications and processes?
Sure. I think the main thing that they were able to do is react very quickly. Obviously, in these uncertain times, a lot of clients are trying to figure out where they can have the maximum impact. And in this case, they wanted to be ready for whatever was coming their way. So the biggest benefit was being able to quickly identify, get the labs and the clinics online, and really stay ahead of that curve.
Great. Well, thank you so much for helping our mutual customers, and we really appreciate you taking the time to talk with us today.
Well, thank you, and be safe.
Thank you. You too.